In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get a free Fortnite back bling right now here inside of Fortnite. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first thing that you're going to want to do if you are in Fortnite is actually go ahead and exit out of this. And I'm on PC, but you can do this on console or mobile as well. Just keep in mind you are going to need a secondary device if you're not like exclusively on PC. But essentially what you're going to want to do is begin by downloading the Epic Games launcher. To do that, if you're on a mobile device, just open up the App Store and type in Epic Games Launcher and you'll be able to download it through there. If you are on PC, just search up Epic Games Launcher, hit enter, and the first link right here is going to take you to epicgames.com, where you just need to hit download up in the very top. Once it does download for you, simply go ahead and open it up just like so, and it's going to ask you to sign in. Make sure you sign in with your current account. From here, simply just scroll down and you'll see this Hogwarts Legacy tab right here. If you don't see it, just search it up at the very top. Essentially, all you need to go ahead and do is hit get on Hogwarts Legacy since it is currently free and it's going to get added to your library. You don't even need to install it. But from here, go up to the very top and just search for Fortnite as well and go ahead and download Fortnite. And that'll go in your library, and obviously just go ahead and launch that if you are on PC. As soon as you do that though, when you get into the game, you will have a free Fortnite. It's like a chocolate little like frog back bling. It's pretty cool actually. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.